Guys, and I am very excited to share this new tricks for me at least, and I hope not many people use this, because then this video will be kind of useless, right? But today's trick will be the timestamp in YouTube, and I'm pretty sure many of you guys already know, and some might have seen it but like not used it, so this is it. Timestamp is this 9:17. That's what I did earlier, because I found this kind of video, this part of the video, really funny. One of the way, imagine you're watching a video and imagine you are here and then you found this place really nice and okay, so this is much better here. So I see this nice mirror with a judge, and then I see a Lhasa Tibetan restaurant, and I want my friend to like see this, right? So one thing I can do is right click and say copy video URL at current time. I can copy this, and like it's been copied, and I can share it, this Control V, I can share it on. If I share it here, let's see what happens. It starts from where I actually shared, right? That's nice, and I can share it with my friends on Facebook or Instagram, anybody. But imagine I want to share this one on the comments so everybody can see it. Something like this, where I actually did earlier, because I found this part of the video really funny, right? So, and let's see what happens once I click it. It starts here. Okay, so I'm sorry to make fun of this kid, but he was just having fun, and everybody's having fun. It's a winter season, right? It's winter holiday season, and look at that kid running well, so don't make fun of me. He's good, he's having fun. And so how do we do this, right? Most of you already know, but just for those who don't know, all you have to do is find a time. Say I found this one really interesting, I want my friend to see this, right? And it starts at 5:53. All you have to do is type 5:53, exactly what we saw up there, right? 5:53, and then leave a space. That's really important. And then everything you type after that doesn't matter, and you can just say must visit this spot or something like that, right? And all you have to do is click comment, and that's it. So you can share it in the comment like I did here. And I hope you learned something new today, and see you again in the next video.